Two heavyweight platforms. One big question. Which one actually powers your support and service workflows better? Salesforce or Jira Service Management? On the left, Salesforce, the undisputed leader in customer-first service. On the right, Jira Service Management, the developer-driven powerhouse for technical teams. Let's skip the hype and get straight to what matters. We'll score across the real-world categories, and at the finish, the winner will be crystal clear. And trust me, the outcome in 2025 might just surprise you. Quick snapshot before we jump in. Here are the categories we'll be sizing these two up on. Target user, workflow automation, customization, customer experience, integration, enterprise fit, and, value for money. Yep, we're going to cover it all. Let's kick off with target user. So, Salesforce, first up. This one's built for sales, support, and your classic customer service teams. And if you're running any kind of CRM setup, honestly, it just snaps in pretty much seamlessly. Only thing is, it's not super technical. So if you're the sort who wants to tinker endlessly, maybe not your jam. Now, Jira Service Management swings into the spotlight. This one? Oh, it's all about IT and dev crews. Workflows, technical stuff, it shines there. But if your team isn't code savvy, Jira can feel kinda, confusing. Bottom line, Salesforce takes it for traditional support teams, while Jira caters more to the techies. Winner, Salesforce. Next, let's talk workflow automation. Salesforce brings some big guns here. Advanced case management, SLAs, routing, and Salesforce Flow for some seriously complex automations. It's impressive, but sometimes it feels maybe a little much if your needs are basic. Jira Service Management, also real strong. Customizable workflows, stacks of integrations, and if you're a DevOps person, it's heaven. Still, setting up business processes can be a bit of a project compared to Salesforce's out-of-the-box stuff. Honestly, these are both solid for automation, just tailored for different types of teams. But if we look at who nails customer service automation best, Salesforce edges ahead. Now, if you love fiddling with every knob and dial, this is your favorite bit, customization. Salesforce is certainly configurable, and there's this massive app ecosystem, so you do have options, but I gotta say, the UI, it can get kinda clunky. Makes you want to grab coffee while it loads. Now, Jira Service Management, this is where things get spicy. Dashboards, filters, priorities, go wild. If you're a developer who loves APIs and nerdy tweaks, Jira's basically a playground. But heads up, it's got a bit of a learning curve if you're not deep in tech. So yeah, Jira totally takes this one on customization. Hey, real quick, want something wild? A lot of companies actually use both tools. Like, they'll run Salesforce for handling customer support tickets, and then Jira for when it's a dev issue. With automations, you pass cases between systems and save hours of headache. How cool is that? All right, let's switch gears to customer experience. Salesforce, oh man, it's got this unified customer view, so everything just feels connected. You even get omni-channel support and analytics built right in. It's seriously head and shoulders above most. Downside, if you want to manage tech internal tickets, Salesforce isn't as speedy as Jira. Speaking of Jira, it does really cool handoffs to dev teams and shows you ticket status internally. But honestly, it's just not made for wowing external customers out of the box. So if you care about customer engagement, Salesforce, no question, is your hero. Now, integration. Salesforce makes it rain integrations. For real. Their app exchange, enormous. And it links up with marketing, sales, service, the whole business stack. Some extras come with fees, but still, the coverage is insane. On the Jira side, it's more like, hey, you a tech team? Because it integrates natively with Jira software and has this open API, perfect for all your technical stack dreams. But when it comes down to ready-made business app integrations, not as many. So in sheer volume and business scope, Salesforce leads here. Enterprise fit, this one feels close, honestly. Salesforce, it's battle-tested in huge enterprises, and you get tons of support, training, all that jazz. But for tiny teams, it's kind of overkill. Now, Jira, it scales with DevOps and Agile teams, and if you're a startup wanting something lighter, it works. It's just not as polished for pure customer service as Salesforce is. So yeah, for big orgs, both can handle the pressure. Just depends if you want customer ops or tech ops to shine. Let's call it a tie. All right, money matters. Value for money. Salesforce packs a ton of features for customer teams, and the ROI is pretty clear if you run a service org, but wow, premium pricing is real, and licensing can get complicated. Jira Service Management is more flexible. You pick a tier, and it's a good bang for IT teams. Just watch out for add-ons. Those fees creep up kinda sneakily. Honestly, both can burn a hole in your budget if you go big. So the winner here? It really depends on your use case. All right, let's lay out the scores visually. A radar chart showing all the categories. You can see how Salesforce dominates customer experience, while Jira flexes on customization. Others, pretty close calls. So, what do I actually think? If you're all about delivering top-tier customer service, and you want a unified CRM, Salesforce Service Cloud just wins. Nothing really beats it. But if you've got a technical team, living in workflows, dashboards, and customization territory, Jira Service Management is the right pick. If you're straddling both sides, support and dev, honestly, plugging these together is probably the smartest thing you'll do. Thinking about connecting your support and dev worlds for seamless teamwork? Now's the time. Check out integrations and see how much smoother life gets when both sides talk to each other.